It's all around us, and it supports an ecosystem that all growth rests on. India is one of the largest producers of steel in the world. It's a fact that carries the hope of a country's high growth rate, its rapid urbanization, and the endless needs of its population. Steel is produced in India by large integrated steel plants using state-of-the-art technology and production methods and smaller secondary steel units. The secondary steel sector is largely made up of family-run units which produce rebars, angles, flats and wires supporting everything from agriculture to industry. But being a large steel producer brings with it its own responsibility. While the integrated steel plants are known for their modernization, the secondary steel sector's conventional production methods are inefficient, have a negative impact on the environment, and suffer from low productivity.
जहाँ भी आप एनर्जी एफिशिएंसी करोगे, एनवायरनमेंट ने तो सेव होना ही होना है। जो आप पर्सनल बेनिफिट आपका जो फाइनेंशियल बेनिफिट है, वो बहुत ज़्यादा होता है।
If we don't bring our manufacturing cost down, we cannot survive. If we have to survive, we have to be the fittest. And to be the fittest, we have to be the lowest cost producer.
This is the story of a technology-led intervention by India's Ministry of Steel and the United Nations Development Programme, which has enabled 300 steel re-rolling mills across the country to reduce their energy consumption and greenhouse gas emissions by 15 to 30%. Energy efficiency, in conjunction with improvements in productivity and the environment, has proved to be a triple win.
Half of India's steel production is in these secondary steel mills. There are over 3,500 of them. So by investing $500 million a year into improving energy efficiency in these mills, one gets a direct cash benefit of $500 million, which tells you that the payback period is around 1 year.
The energy cost in steel re-rolling mills is 20 to 30% of the overall production cost. To reduce this, technology and process interventions were introduced at multiple levels. These include the pulverizer, which helps maintain optimum coal fineness. The burning of finer coal provides a steady heat output. Coal bed methane gas was used as a cleaner fuel alternative, which improved furnace efficiency. Recuperators recover heat from the furnace exhaust. This reclaimed energy is used to preheat combustion air, which can recover up to 400 degrees of waste heat.
UNDP की गाइडलाइन से रिक्यूपरेटर को हमने रेट्रोफिटिंग किया, मॉडिफाई किया, उससे हमको प्रीहीटिंग टेम्परेचर जो इंक्रीज़ हुआ, प्लस हमारे को कमीशन एयर का भी टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हुआ, इससे मतलब फ्यूल एफिशिएंसी बढ़ी। ऑल टुगेदर 7% के करीब हमको गेन हुआ उसका।
In addition, combustion airflow is regulated through oxygen analyzers, and the fan speed is altered for ideal power consumption using the variable frequency drives. Thermal insulation of furnaces prevent heat loss, and coal drying systems ensure proper coal combustion. Introduction of anti-friction roller bearings in the rolling section provides frictionless support and lowers power consumption.
कोयले की कंजम्पशन में 10 से 15% का बेनिफिट हुआ, पावर कंजम्पशन में हमें 3 से 5% का बेनिफिट हुआ और बर्निंग लॉस में हमें 0.5 से 1% का बेनिफिट हुआ।
Moving the composite mills to direct rolling had the most radical impact. It eliminated the need for the reheating furnace altogether, thereby reducing energy consumption by half.
Direct rolling जैसे directly molten metal जो है converts to billets and hot billets has been directly rolled. करीब 1000 to 1200 rupees per ton का saving है. 4200 tons का CO2 जो है emissions वो भी reduce हो गया.
Change in technology went hand in hand with a change in mindsets. And beyond statistics, there was also a change in perception. In a fiercely competitive market, industry leaders were brought together to create a community for knowledge sharing and support.
By associating with UNDP Ministry of Steel, we have now formed a group of like-minded entrepreneurs who are separate, located in separate geographical locations across India, but still they are on a common platform and they would feel very easy to put across questions, get answers, discuss new technologies, new happenings.
The success of this project has organized a lagging sector into taking charge of its future and has helped the whole industry to see the key role energy efficiency can play in it.
Despite the turbulent times, we can survive if we are able to be cost competitive, energy efficient, higher in productivity. We can definitely reach a level of 300 billion tons by 2025.
पहले ऐसा लगता था कि यहाँ 1 घंटा भी रुकना मुश्किल था। ऐसा लगता था बाहर निकल जाए किसी भी बहाने, पानी पीने के बहाने या और किसी बहाने। पर जब से ये रिकॉर्डपीटर ये सब हम लोगों ने जब से लगा है, तब से तो पूरे दिन ऐसा लगता है कि यहीं पे रहें।
स्टील इंडस्ट्री ठहर सके और पर्यावरण की संरक्षा हो सके, उस दृष्टि से यह जो संयुक्त प्रयास है बहुत ही सराहनीय है। इसकी आवश्यकता निश्चित रूप से आज हमारे देश में महसूस की जाती है और यह समय की मांग भी है। भारत संयुक्त राष्ट्र संघ फ्रेमवर्क कन्वेंशन और क्योटो प्रोटोकॉल के हस्ताक्षरकर्ता के रूप में ग्रीन हाउस गैस उत्सर्जन के प्रति पूरी तरह प्रतिबद्ध है।
With time, we have understood the deep connection between what we make and how it affects us. The activities that build a life, a nation, a world are often the same as those that weaken it. But together we can move towards an alternate development paradigm, one that protects the environment, that protects us.